What's up, everybody? This is Jasmine with Jazzy Fresh Mobile Detailing, coming to you from straight inside my U-Haul. I have a lot to update you guys on, so stay tuned and we'll start the show. As you guys can see, this is not my van at all, right? Everything's a mess. We got some semi-organization here, but everything's a mess. Essentially what happened is I got into an accident, and my insurance, before they even have a chance to look at the vehicle in their system, they flagged it as a total loss. So here we are with the U-Haul, because bills don't stop, customers don't stop, we got to keep going, right? So essentially what happened is I was attempting to make a turn, I got hit, and they're trying to tell me it's my fault. I don't really understand how, but we're not going to get into that, because at the end of the day, an accident is an accident. It didn't happen on purpose. It didn't happen because I wanted to. There was no malicious intent behind it. It's just an accident. And accidents happen. The only thing you could do is control how you react to it, control how you drive from now on, and learn from it. So I learned my lesson. I need to be more cognizant of my surroundings. I need to be more careful. I need to be more methodical. I need to move slower. And I just need to take my time, because I got hit by somebody that was speeding and rushing. And, I have a new lease on life. I could have died. You guys, I could have died. And, I have to be thankful for that. I have to be thankful that I'm here to see another day, and that I can learn from it instead of being in a hospital somewhere trying to recover from it. So, yeah. So right now, I am waiting for the insurance to basically pay me out for my vehicle for what they owe me. Waiting for the financing company to get back with them to finish all the paperwork. So basically, I'm in limbo. I have been in limbo for a month now. So it's this has been kind of rough, because this is the second U-Haul I had. So what U-Haul did to me? I had my thing for about 3 weeks. They wouldn't let me extend it anymore. And the funny thing is, they had me bring the car in, and I told them, hey, look, I have another reservation, because I still need a vehicle. And they were like, they almost handed me the same keys for the same vehicle that I already had. So essentially, they just wanted more money out of me, because they get to charge you more when you initially rent a U-Haul. So I had to turn the one I had in, was perfectly fine, to rent this one. And because it was on a Saturday, they tried to charge me more. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait till Sunday, and I'm gonna and hopefully I'll get a different one. And sure enough, I ended up with a 2024 Ford Transit 250, which is fantastic, because I'm used to a 150. And also, who wouldn't want to drive a new van, right? So, yeah, I'm getting used to this, but I'm also realizing I want a 250 or higher. I want a higher roof, because I had a low roof like this one, which is not bad. There's nothing wrong with it, but I want to be able to get into my van and stand up, and I just want to have more room. So, but no, this is I'm not complaining at all. I'm grateful that they continue to let me rent. I'm grateful that I still have a vehicle to make money. But yeah, I'm ready for a new van. I am searching for a new van, and searching for funding, because I don't want to go to, buy another car and get screwed on my loan, because I got absolutely screwed on my last loan for my Transit. And they wouldn't let me put it in my business. They were only letting me put it in my name, and I want to put it in the business name, because it's a business vehicle. 98% it's used for business. Why wouldn't it be in a business name? So, yeah. Also, if you're in Michigan, don't go, and you're a business owner, don't go to Genesis Credit Union. I contacted them about funding information, and the lady literally said in her first email to me, if you have any questions, please let me know. So I send her 3 different questions, and she's like, if you have any questions, go to the bank. And I was like, Go to the bank. You just told me that you would answer my questions. I'm not going to go to your bank because you think it's okay to just waste my time. I told her, your short and curt response was a complete turnoff, and I'll take my business elsewhere. Then she tries to send me this paragraph talking about, oh, Jasmine, I know that, now is not a great time for you and you're looking for a vehicle. Like, nah, your response and what I'm looking for have nothing to do with each other. You were rude to me and you turned me off from going to your business, and now you're trying to salvage it, but I'm not trying to hear that, because at this point I've already contacted 3 other banks. Why am I going to deal with somebody who's going to tell me, I'll answer your questions, and then literally told me to go into a banking center? And I just told you I'm a business owner. You think I have time for that? I literally am booked out all week this week. I have to make time between my details, before my details, to be able to handle this stuff. And that's hard, because not only do I have to make phone calls to the insurance and all of them, but also gotta quote my clients and all that. Like, it's not a quick process. I mean, I gotta have a conversation with you, then I gotta write your quote up. That's gonna take me at least 20-30 minutes. So if I got 5 people texting me and calling me all day, it's gonna take me 2-3 hours to get to everybody. When do I have that extra time? So go with people that respect your time. And Genesis Credit Union clearly didn't respect my time. So, but yeah, that's where everything stands right now. If you are interested in helping me have more funding and get a new van, please donate to my GoFundMe. The link is in the description. It's all across my social media. You can find it. If you need help finding it, comment and I'll send it to you. I appreciate any and all support, and I'm thankful and grateful for you watching my channel, and I hope that you like and subscribe. And just so you know, this is a learning channel. That's what I plan it to be. I'm only telling you this information for you to learn from my experiences, because there are a lot of people out here starting their own businesses, but they started without no information and no one to teach them. So take the resources that are there for you. YouTube is a free resource. Use it. Go to YouTube University and learn. And subscribe here so you can learn about detailing and anything else I can teach you about. But yeah, y'all take care. Have a good day. Stay up. Stay blessed. And stay connected with your faith, man. I don't care if it's God, Buddha, Islam. I don't care. Get some faith. Dive into it and take care of yourself, man.